me and my sisters were younger. I'm not sure how old we were, but the first song that Dad taught us how to harmonize was this song, A Ke Ka Manaʻo, that we're gonna sing right after Dad's pau tuning. But this song, A Ke Ka Manaʻo, comes from the Tina Kaʻapana album. We were raised, Dad was raised on ʻOhana, listening to Tina Kaʻapana on the old records. And A Ke Ka Manaʻo is one of those songs that you don't really hear nowadays. But luckily, with those records that Dad could teach us and do the first song we practiced, you know, Kamalei doing the high part, I was doing the low part, and then screaming, then lead. So we do this song, yeah.
They switch parts now.
Yeah. Oh no, that's right. Back when my voice was like a little girl's, yeah, I could sing lead, but now I have to go to the bottom.
Yeah, he's relegated to the low part now. That's okay, buddy. It's a good thing.
Yeah, by default.
Yeah, when I was a young boy, expounding on Kaʻula's story, I always tell him my grandmother was a one. Parents, it's a familiar story. Parents are busy working into the late evening. Grandma and grandpa come pick you up, trying to put you down for a nap, play ʻOhana. It doesn't work because I love listening to the music, because you gotta turn it off, grandma, if you're gonna go to sleep. But I grew up with ʻOhana and then Kalehua style of falsetto, and just love it. So we have a lot of that. It's reflected a lot in our music.